Thank you, Saidul Garu. Now I request Professor E. Narayana, Coordinator, to speak on this occasion.
Good morning to all. Today's drug abuse awareness program students of University Arts and Science College. President of this function, Professor S. Jyoti Garu, Principal, University Arts and Science College. Today's chief guest of this function, Professor special guest, Sri Ambar Kishore Jha, IPS, Commissioner of Police, Warangal Garu, and Saidul Garu, DSP, Narcotics, and Dr. Jagadesh Babu Garu, and Dr. Anita, all faculty members, my dear students, NCC officers,